Hello everyone, today we are comparing Poco Pad M1 and Realme Pad 2 Pro. There is not much difference between these tablets. Let's see this full video. Starting with body features. Both two tablets come with the same size and weight. Next, compare the display features. They offer 12.1 inches IPS LCD display. Hardware features. Both two tablets are powered by the Snapdragon chipset. Let's compare the camera features. Both tablets come with 8 megapixel rear camera and 8 megapixel front camera. Next, compare the battery features. Let's compare the sound and other features. These devices include Wi-Fi, stereo speakers and Bluetooth 5.4. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.